Hello everyone, welcome back to Cracking ServiceNow interview. So in my previous video, in the particularly item series, I have covered about CMDB and discovery and CHDM best practices. Along with that, what are the phases of discovery, how to troubleshoot the discovery, all these things are covered. You can refer the previous videos, and these interview questions are prepared for my colleagues' experience and my experience of almost 80 to 90 interviews. So only key is you have to regularly keep on applying in Naukri and I can say LinkedIn so that you will get maximum jobs. And these are the interview questions. If you want the details, I will share all these questions with you. And today I'm going to cover about particularly event management, which is one of the important part of ServiceNow and particularly in CMDB, particularly in ITOM. So one request, just keep subscribing and keep giving comments so that it will keep me motivated and I will post more videos in this series. So when we say about event management, it is basically identifying the issues across the data center in a single management console, we can say. So it is basically the alerts which are coming from our server. So suppose we have connected with 10 uh, servers or systems along with our systems. So for each systems, we are getting the alerts, and those alerts are some health alerts or some issues, we can say. So whatever these alerts are coming, these are basically monitored through event management, and we can say constantly checking and spotting these alerts is required because some may be of high priority, some may be of low priority. We can customize every alert in this event management. Particularly person, like we can automate the alert. We have several tools through which this event management can be monitored. So event management is one of the important part for a interview. So definitely he will ask exactly how you are configuring the event management, and it involves basically setting up the platform to monitor, analyze, and respond to all IT events. So how they will ask, have you done this event management from scratch? Then definitely you can say yeah, because in everything they want you to be a detail and more precise and more technical of whatever you are answering. Try to give the technical aspect, and particularly if he is asking that how you have done the configuration, you can say yeah, it is done in these 5 phases particularly. So first, tell the interviewer about these 4 phases, like what is covered, what you are going to cover in this event management configuration. So you can tell that, okay, installing and activating the plugin, I have done this in recently, so that he will be more prone to know, okay, exactly. He will expect that you have the knowledge of everything as you have done it recently. So you can say that configuration phases, I have done these 4 steps. First is installing and activating the plugin. Second is, we can say that setting up the event sources. And third, you can say is that I have configured the event rules. And fourth, you can say I have integrated with other this event management with other ServiceNow modules. So first, if he is then interested to know about detailing about each step, then you can go ahead, like in installing and activating plugin, you have to tell the plugin name, like it is event management core plugin which is required. I have gone for this plugin from the ServiceNow store and requested the plugin and verified the plugin is active and accessible. And after that, I have done the uh, event source setup, like from mid server, how you have configured through event connector, what are the steps which you have done, and in event normalization, how have you configured this event field mapping to normalize all this data. You have to just inform all that. And finally, you have to configure the event rules, because depending on these event rules, the alerts are configured, and there are some correlation rules also there, which basically identify these relationship between these events and what is the RCA, root cause of these issues. So the correlation is one of the important thing, and you have to inform that I have done this in a detailed manner. And finally, event management works with other ServiceNow modules like event management is there for CMDB, for incident, for problem. So whenever you face an issue over this module using event management, you can showcase the thing. And also along with that, how the event management integrations are done through some third-party tools like Splunk, Hyper. All these tools are widely used. How you have to go for the configuration of incident creation using events. All these things will be discussed in the later videos. And how you can use as a developer, you have to be idea regarding using how you can create events using scripts. And along with that, how one of the most important question in event management is we are getting too much noise in event management, how you are controlling the noise. So there are some steps through which you can control the noise, like alert normalization is there, deduplication is there, event filtering is there, and rule-based filtering is there. Using these technique, you can control the alerts. So if you are getting thousands of alerts and you are unable to pay attention to the priority ones, so you have to control the noise using this noise controlling technique in event management. So these are basic questions, and if you want the details, I will provide you. Just inform in the chat. So I will provide you these documents and other related to this item and all. Thank you for your time, and keep subscribing, keep me motivating.